Hello everyone! This is wire welding machine was made by Lincoln Electric company. It was stated as 320 amperes machine. It has already been repaired. Now I will show you what is inside, and then I will show you what happened to it. At the top we can see the board with AMI filter and relay, power supply board, control board and wire feed mechanism motor. At the bottom there is a board with power transistors. On the other side, two power diodes in the isotope package. And heavy-duty four-wheel drive feed mechanism. Power transistors is short-circuited. As you can see, the drivers and all transistors are covered with silicon sealant, which is a big problem. I spent a few hours dismounting transistors. All transistors were short-circuited. This is a board without transistors. This is a board with installed transistors. Next step is checking how the machine works. It provides all 320 amperes. Perfect. Board was covered with protective varnish and silicone sealant and left to dry for a couple of days. Now, welding test. The wire is 1 mm gas CO2. Here the feed speed is 15 meters per minute. And now you see the maximum speed. Test with wire 1.2 millimeters. Feed speed is 8 meters per minute. Ten meters per minute. Eleven meters per minute. Okay, the welding machine is working well, and it provides all the declared current. The repair process can be considered complete. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave your comments. See you next time.